Hello everyone, it's Al again, and today we are going to winter route to Hollyburn Mountain. Typically involves snowshoeing, starting from the Nordic ski area parking lot at Cypress Mountain, and the trail approximately 7 kilometers round trip with elevation is about 450 meters. The trail starts by BC Park sign near Nordic area parking lot and follows power line in May 1st, and the snow is melted in the beginning of the route, so the snow was hard packed. Today I'm going to record all my videos on my GoPro so you can enjoy the views, and as well you can see. Let's go and enjoy, guys, together with me. Events, and I used only one battery. It's always suggested to go with somebody. One thing I also would recommend that you watch out for those big dips in the snow because the snow is melting. There is a summer route which is generally not longer than winter route, but summer route can be more challenging due to poor trail maintenance and difficulty following. So winter route peak is typically well marked and I suggest you to catch the last few weeks of these beautiful views before June. All my videos I recorded on my GoPro and without any filtering, any adjustments to the video, and you can see it's pretty decent videos. Well, for the next video, actually, I'm planning to compare how GoPro versus Pocket 3, DJI Pocket 3, which I recently bought. I know it's already a couple years, but let's compare for the next video. Stay tuned. It is definitely worth to come here. Look at these beautiful views. Look at the sky. It's nice. It's not hot. It's not cold. You can wear light and walk light. One thing I have to note that if you have a hard on knees, so it's a little bit hard maybe to go down, but going up pretty easy, straightforward. Because the snow is very hard packed. You don't sleep, and I believe I'm gonna buy them too. Now we are arriving to the top almost, so we will enjoy beautiful view, sit a bit rest, and then go back. And by looking this one, how pretty can be the winter hikes, you can decide now. I tried it and you should try it definitely as well.
With my friend, we walked a little bit on the top of the mountain, just looked around. There was a couple more hikers, and it's very beautiful area and enjoyable place for relax. You can do it from 30 minutes to an hour, or you can stay half day if you have time. Enjoy and try it as well.